Good morning, all of you. The continuation of the last class. The continuation last class is the distributive of multiplication over addition. The distributive property of multiplication over addition. What is the distributive of multiplication over addition? This is like, see, a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus c is equal. Therefore, a into b plus c, that is equal to, this is monomial, this is binomial. Monomial into binomial, that is equal to a into a, ab, plus a into c, ac. This is like the distributive of the multiplication over addition. See, let us take, for example, see, let us take, you take three rational numbers, 2 by 5, 1 by 2, 3 by 4. Therefore, let us take, sorry, therefore a is equal to 2 by 5, b is equal to 1 by 2, and c is equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4. The a is equal to 2 by 5, b is equal to 1 by 2, c is equal to 3 by 4. The three values substituting above formula, above property, like this. What is a? 2 by 5. Therefore b plus c, what is b? b 1 by 2 plus c 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Like this, a into b, therefore 2 by 5 into 1 by 2 plus ac, a into c. What is ac? 2 by 5 into 3 by 4. 2 by 5 into 3 by 4. Under multiplication of two rational numbers, that means the multiplication of numerator divided by multiplication of denominator. Multiplication of numerator, the multiplication of numerators, 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2 by 5 twos are 10, plus. At the same time, 2 threes are 6 by 5 fours are 20. This is it. Here is, what is the LCM of 10 and 20? 20. Like this. For example, go to the, this is even number, 2. 2 fives, 2 tens. At the same time, 5 ones, 5 twos. See, 2 into 1, 2 into 5, 10 into 2, 20. This is 20 by 10, 2 into 2, 4, plus 20 by 21, 1 into 6, 6. That is equal to 10 by 20, that is equal to 1 by 2. 10 ones, so 10 twos. 10 ones, 10 twos. This is like, go to example, simplify 2 by 3 plus 3 by 7 plus half minus 6 by 5 plus half minus 3 by 7. Simplify. What is simplify? See, add or subtract, multiplication or division, what it may be? Simplify. Solve or simplify, what it may be, both are same meaning. Simplify. Therefore 2 by 3 plus 3 by 7 minus into plus into minus 6 by 5 plus into minus 13 by 7, that is equal to, here is 3 by 7 and 13 by 7 is like fractions. Like fractions means denominator same. Therefore, first of all you write 3 by 3, 2 by 3 minus 6 by 5 plus 3 by 7 minus 13 by 7. Minus 13 by 7. First of all, you solve this like this, like fractions. See, 2 by 5 minus 6 by 5. Sorry, 2 by 3 minus 6 by 5. See, plus the denominator is same, LCM is same. 7 by 7. And the LCM is same. Direct add or subtract to numerators. That like. See, 2 by 3 minus 6 by 5, at the same time, what is the result? 3 minus 13 minus 10 by 7, minus 10 by 7, that is equal to 2 by 3 minus 6 by 5 plus into minus 10 by 7. You take any two. For example, you solve this. First of all, do this. Therefore, 3 and 5, what is the LCM of 3 and 5? Both are prime numbers. The LCM of the prime numbers is the product of that numbers. 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. 15 by 3, 5 into 2, 10, minus 15 by 5, 3 into 6, 18, minus 10 by 7. What is 10 minus 8? 18 means minus 8 by 15. minus 10 by 7, minus 10 by 7. See, what is the LCM of 15 and 7? Here is 15 and 7, 7 comma 15, therefore 7 is prime number, 15 is see, odd number. Go to the common number, no common, therefore first of all 3 7s, 3 5s. 3 is prime number, 7 is prime number, 5 is prime number. Okay. 5 3s are 15, 15 7s are 15 7s are 105. 15 7s are 105. Here is this like 105. 15 5s. 15 5s. See, 15 7s are 15 7s are therefore. Okay, right? See, 105 divided by 15 means 7. 7 into 8, 56 minus 50. 105 by 7 means 15. 15 into 10, 150. What is the total? The final result is minus 206 divided by 105. In the numerator even number, denominator odd number, not simplify. This is simplify means the final result is, according to this sum, the final result is minus 206 divided by 105. Go to one more example. See, write the additive inverse of each of the following rational numbers. Each of the following rational number. What is the following rational number? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You go to the additive inverse of each. What is each? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, what is the additive inverse of 2 by 7? Additive inverse is minus 2 by 7. At the same time, second sum. Minus 11 by 5. Minus 11, the additive inverse of minus 11 by 5 is 11 by 5. Third. At the same time, 7 by 13. 7 by 13, the additive inverse of 7 by 13. 7 by minus 13. 7 by minus 13 means minus 7 by 13. The additive inverse of minus 7 by 13 means 7 by 13. Go to the 4, like minus 2 by 3, the additive inverse of minus 2 by 3 means before sign will be changed. That is called additive inverse. You take any number, for example, you take A. What is the additive inverse of A? Minus A. At the same time, minus 7. What is the minus additive inverse of minus 7 means 7. What is meaning of additive inverse? Before sign will be changed. Before you take rational number or whole number or integer or whatever, maybe you take any natural number. You take any number. Just the what is meaning of additive inverse? Before sign will be changed. What is minus 2 by 3 like 2 by 3. This is called additive inverse. One more example. See, find 2 by 5 into minus 1 by 9 plus 23 by 180 minus 1 by 9 into 3 by 5. This is the one number. This is the second number. This is the third number. This is right. Go to the another example. Find 2 by 5 into minus 1 by 9 plus 23 by 180 minus 1 by 9 into 23 by 180 minus 1 by 9 into 3 by 4. 1 by 9 into 3 by. Here is 3 numbers. Here, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Right, find. Therefore, in the 2 numbers, this is 1 number, second number, third number. Like from these 2 numbers, which is the what is the common? Minus 1 by 9. Minus 1 by 9 is common. Minus 1 by 9 is common. From these 2, 1, 2. From these 2, minus 1 by 9 is common. Minus 1 by 9. Like remaining part of 2 by 5. 2 by 5 minus plus 3 by 4. What is remaining? Plus 23 by 180. 23 by 180. This is commutative property. Okay, like this not. At the same time, minus 1 by 9. What is 5 and 4? 20. 20 is the LCM. 20 by 5. 4 into 2, 8. Plus 20 by 4, 5 into 3, 15. Plus 23 by 180. 23 by 180. Like at the same time, see, minus 1 by 9. See, 8 plus 15 means 23. 23 by 20 plus 23 by 180. See, here this is minus 1 into 23 minus 23 by 180, therefore 9 into 20 means 180 plus 23 by 180. Here is 82. Here is 82 inverse. Like the result is goes to 0. The result goes to 0. Like one more example, say multiply the reciprocals of multiply the reciprocals. What is the multiplying the reciprocals? See, reciprocals minus 2 by 9, like 9 minus 9 by 2 reciprocal minus 2 by 9, and 5 by 18 reciprocal 8 by 5. 8 by 5. And add the L2 inverse. Add the L2 inverse means add plus L2. L2 means minus 4 by 5. L2 inverse 4 by 5. Like this. For example, go to see 9 ones to 9 twos. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4 by 5 plus 4 by 5. The result is goes to 0. The result is goes to 0. Here this is product plus this is L2 inverse. L2 inverse is equal to 0. This is identity. Like this. Exercise 1.1. Name of the property involved in the following example. Name of the property. What is the name of the property? Already we will know to you. See, the closure property A plus B. The commutative property A plus B is equal to B plus A. And the associative property A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Inverse property, identity property, the distributive property, like right. For example, see at the same time identity property also. Sorry, identity, not identity. See 08 plus. See 8 by 5 plus 0 is equal to 0. Sorry, 8 by 5 is equal to 0 plus 8 by 5. This is called L2 identity. L2 identity. Like you take any number with addition of 0, that like the result is itself. What is meaning of itself? For example, A plus 0 is equal to A. Therefore, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. This is like the result is itself. At the same time, this is like 8 by 5. You take any number, a rational number or natural number, whole number, integer, whatever it may be, with addition with 0, the result is itself. Itself means this is like. Therefore, 8 by 5 plus 0 is equal to 8 by 5 is equal to 8 by 5 is equal to 0 plus 8 by 5. That is called L2 identity. L2 identity. Next go to this is what? See, already we have discussed. Therefore, like this, A into B plus C, that is equal to A into B AB plus A into C AC, like this. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus C, A into C. That is like distributive property multiplication over addition. Distributive property multiplication over addition. Distributive of multiplication over addition. Multiplication over addition. That is called distributive property. Go to 3 by 7 into 1, that is equal to 3 by 7 into, therefore 1 into 3 by 7. 1 into 3 by 7. What is this is? Identity property. See, this is called multiplicative identity. For example, 3, therefore see, A into 1 is equal to A, therefore B into 1 is equal to B, therefore 1 by 2 into 1 is equal to 1 by 2. That is like you take any number under multiplication with 1 called itself, like this. This is multiplicative identity. See, 4, go to 4. This is also multiplicative identity. See, therefore 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, a by b into 1 is equal to a by b. You take any natural number or rational number, or you take any number with under multiplication with 1 is called itself. See, at the same time, minus 1 into 1 is equal to minus 1. Yes or no? See, this is called multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity also. Go to 4. See 5, like this 5. Therefore, 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5, like commutative property. Therefore, a plus b is equal to b plus a. Commutative property. Commutative property. CP means commutative property. At the same time, 5 by 2 into 3 by 7 is equal to 15 by 4. 15 by 4. What is 15? 5 3s are 15, 2 7s are 14. That is like closure property. Closure property, a plus b. Just a plus b, closure property. Closure property. See, go to 4, 5, 6, 7. Go to 7. This is like L2 inverse. L2 inverse. What is meaning of L2 inverse? Therefore, L2 inverse of A means minus A. L2 inverse of minus 7 means 7. That is like A2 means you take any number, thus before sign will be changed. What is meaning of sign? Plus or minus? Plus or minus. Here is plus, changes to minus. Here is minus, changes to plus. This is called L2 inverse. L2 inverse. L2 inverse. Like see, multiplicative inverse. Here is multiplicative inverse. Therefore, you take any number reciprocal. You take reciprocal. What is meaning of multiplicative inverse? Reciprocal. Reciprocal of the number. For example, 2 multiplicative reciprocal. Therefore, 2 reciprocal 1 by 2. 2 reciprocal 1 by 2. See, therefore you take. This is called multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Go to this. Therefore, 2 into x plus 2 into 6 is equal to 2 into x plus 6. This is a distributive property. Distributive property like this. Therefore, a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Yes or no? This is a distributive property. Multiplication overrides. Distributive property. Distributive law also. Distributive is multiplicative. Write the L2 and multiplicative inverse of the following. Already well known to you. Already we have discussed the L2 inverse and multiplicative inverse. Here also here multiplicative inverse. See, okay, right? L2 inverse of. Therefore, L2 inverse means 3 by 5. Just before sign will be changed. And multiplicative inverse. That is means the fraction is reciprocal. Number is reciprocal. What is meaning of reciprocal? Minus 5 by 3. Minus 5 by 3. Therefore, A2 inverse means minus 1. And multiplicative inverse means 1 by 1 is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Therefore, A2 inverse is 0. A2 inverse is 0. Therefore, just a sign will be changed. And 0. And multiplicative inverse is undefined. Undefined means 0 by 1 means 0 by 1 means 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means undefined. Therefore, 7 by 9. What is the A2 inverse? A2 inverse means 7 by 9. A2 inverse means minus 7 by 9. Multiplicative inverse of 7 by 9 means 9 by 7. 9 by 7. At the same time, minus 1. What is the A2 inverse? Before sign which is 1. And the multiplicative inverse means also minus 1. Minus 1 means 1 by minus 1 by 1 means that is minus 1. Go to the filling the blanks. What is the filling the missing? Just missing. Minus 1 by 7 plus dash is equal to minus 12 by 5 plus minus 1 by 17. Minus compared to this, the total is in the left side and right side is addition. Okay, what is the missing number compared to RHS? What is the missing number of LHS? Minus 12 by 5. Minus 12 by 5. At the same time 2. This is very easy to you. Minus 2 by 3 plus dash minus 2 by 3. Which number added to this? The result is minus 2 by 3. What tell? Already we are not to 0. 0 plus anything is itself. 0 plus anything is itself. Go to this. Already we are discussed. They see a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus a plus c. What is meaning of this is like a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c. A plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Right. See, this is a b c. A plus b plus c. What is c? 6 by 7. 6 by 7. Same. Which number 1 multiplied with number is equal to itself? This is same number. Why? Because you take any number multiplication with 1, that is called itself. Yes or no? See, a into 1 is equal to a, b into 1 is equal to b. Therefore, 100 into 1 is equal to 100. At the same, minus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, minus 27 into 1 is equal to minus 27. You take any number negative or positive under multiplication with 1 is called itself. That is what is the missing? 1 into 9 by 11 is equal to 9 by 11. Go to this also. This is also we are discussing compared to see. This means like example of 2. Best example 2. There were minus 16 by 7 plus dash is equal to minus 60 by 7 0. 0 plus anything is itself. At the same time, next same compared to 2 and 6. 5 is also same number. Sorry, this is copy double time. Sorry for the goodness. This.